entire digital library system and overview of the digital library. Sir, main focus point is introduction digital library challenges for digital libraries, development of a digital library, advantages, digital collection, and conclusion. Digital libraries with powerful semantic support for complex searches for documents and immediate answer across system, language, cultural and disciplinary boundaries, and for document creation and collaboration have the potential to transform how work is done by individuals and by groups and to in whole into a true information commons. Thank you, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you very much, Vijay Gaikwad, for support me, especially for time saving.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Another is Dr. Sudhir Nagarkar.
Yes, sir, I am here.
Okay, thank you, Sudhirji. You can start.
Can I share my screen?
Yes, no problem, no problem. Just needs full screen, full screen.
Okay, okay, yeah.
Okay.
Good morning, all of you. First of all, I am thankful to ILA and Mukla for giving me an opportunity for this paper presentation. I am going to present a paper, a case study of Koha software application of ASSM MEDA library. The study presents the condition of automation library. Amdar Shashikant Shinde Mahavidyalaya MEDA. In my library, I am using Koha. A properly computerized library will assist its user with rapid services. The objective of this study is to develop and update database and books in the ASSM library with the help of Koha software. The library has used an automated system using Koha to carry out the functions of library, especially the circulation section, more effectively and to provide a variety of search options to know the availability of books in the library of and generate the record of books due from particular members and also past due charges. Actually, Koha is the world-based open source integrated library management software. So we can easily and effectively operate and manage our library or multiple branches with cataloging and circulation and fine collection patterns, membership, serial management also, and acquisition and reports. According to our demands, we can create reports. This is my ASSM library case study. This paper provides information on the application of the Koha integrated library management software at ASSM MEDA. Means to acquire, store, transmit, retrieve, and process information for its students and staff. It also describes various challenges faced by library staff in implementing this software. Objectives of the study to study how to develop database of books and other resources of ASSM library using Koha software, to evaluate the implementation of automated system using Koha software, and to observe the status of the circulation section and provide various search options from OPAC to know the availability of books in the library. Methodology. The methodology used for the present study of Koha software is moving out the modules of the software personally. The study of the ASSM library MEDA implementation of various modules of the Koha software is reviewed by experiencing all the modules practically. And I would like to share here Koha logins here screen.
Please fast. Please fast, Mr. Dr. Sudhir.
Okay, I skip only. I will tell you only titles. This is a Koha login screen, and this is a homepage of Koha, and this is a Koha administration. Only librarian administrator or person of similar designation could have access to write to this module. And this is a very nice software. Actually, I am using actually before Koha, I used eGranthalaya, but I am very happy to use this software. Adding up bibliography Koha, this screen and cataloging modules also. Then administrative information about the patron modules, then circulation modules, all are using in my library. Just I have
Okay.
screenshot here, and
Okay.
I will come to conclusion, sir.
Okay, no problem, no problem.
Yeah. Koha software is an extremely handy that is relatively easy to operate or modify, and it is cost effective. There is a compelling needs for all organizations, including academic institutes, to create a pack of software that includes free and source of Koha and open source software system is being used for an automation of major day-by-day housekeeping operation in ASSM library. On the investigation, the researcher found out that Koha software is suitable for automation of library effectively. This project had the objective and designing a bibliographic database concerned to the automation of circulation activity in the ASSM library. In the view of this finding, it can be concluded that Koha is useful package for the creation of database for information retrieval.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Sudhir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Definitely, all university libraries also shifting from Soul to Koha, and all libraries also interested in that open source software Koha. Okay, thank you for
Yes, sir.
good presentation.
Yeah.
Next presenter is Mrs. Meenu Arya.
Yes, sir.
Meenu.
Hello.
Yes, Meenu is there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. You can share your screen. Mrs. Meenu.
Good morning, sir. Can you see?
Yes. It is visible.
Myself, Meenu Arya, librarian at Others Create College, Basana, Rohtak. Today, my paper focused on digital curation, growth and trends. So, here are some glimpses of my article. Digital curation is a modern term in digital scenario. It has many meanings and definitions for different groups of users from
Okay.
various communities.
Skip it. Okay.
Basically, digital curation is the preservation, protection, and taking care of digital assets for future use and reuse and use when needed. So, digital curation and librarian information science. Earlier, digital curation was a word that was used in scientific concepts, but nowadays it is to be replaced by digital preservation in library communities. So, it is treated as a link between sciences and digital libraries. There are two types of curation, sheer curation and just-in-time curation. What is the need of curation?